Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel djangoworld. So in today's video, we are going to see destroy API view. Okay, so as the name suggests, destroy API view, it is going to delete a particular object and it will delete one object at a time. Okay, so since this is delete API view, this will only accept delete request. Okay, so let's jump into computer screen and start coding. Okay, so I am on my computer screen and here I am just going to create one another view. So here we are creating each and every different view for different type of API views. Okay, so here we are going to create for delete API view. So here I will say class and I will say blog destroy API. Okay, sorry, destroy con. Let me do this D capital and here I will say generics dot destroy API view. Now here this both lines are going to be same, so I'll just copy. Okay, so I only have rights to copy. You guys need to write this view. Okay, don't copy, you need to learn, and I already know this concept. Okay, so don't copy as I am doing. Okay, so I have created this view. I'll go to URLs. Now here I'll just copy and paste this path. Now here instead of this retrieve, I will write destroy, so I will just press Ctrl and do multi cursor and I will click where I have retrieve spelling and I will just delete all the spelling at once and I will say destroy. Destroy. Yeah, done. Now here I will say blog destroy con and here we are going to accept primary key, so I'll just write primary key int and pk. Done. Now I'll start the server, so I'll just delete this both terminal and create new terminal in order to automatically activate my virtual environment. Okay, so as you can see, it has automatically activated my virtual environment and here I'll write python main.py run server. Now once this server has been started, just copy this link, open your browser, paste that over here. Now here I'll say /API/blog/ now here we have our destroy view, so I'll just write that and I will fetch that primary. Okay, so I don't have any data with this primary key. Let me try 8. So I don't have with that also. Let me go ahead and see what type of data I have in my list views. Okay, so this is also not performing get method. Okay, never mind. Okay, this will accept get method. Yeah, so I have 7. So why it is not? Okay, I got it. Since this is not going to accept the get request, it is not going to give you the data. Okay, but if you press delete from here and confirm your deletion, it has deleted the object. Okay, so let's go to list view again, I mean blog list URL, and check it out. You can see the object with id 7 has gone. Now we have only 2 objects which is of id 8 and 9. Okay, so I hope you got idea about this destroy API view. So yeah, this is it for today's video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt related to this video, please let me know in comments, and in next video we are going to see update API view. Okay, so I'll see you there. Thank you.